Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is 21-year-old driver thinks she's untouchable, finds out fast.
On April 12, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that was suspected of being operated by an impaired driver.
Hey, Amico.
Oh, hi.
So you took a left at a red light. Why was that? And you don't have your seatbelt on. What's going on tonight?
Nothing.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you? Where are you headed to? What's that? Tango 7 to 27. Get anything to drink tonight? What about drugs? Have you taken any drugs this evening?
Don't ask me that.
What's that?
When people ask me if you're on drugs.
Okay, well, it's a question, I gotta ask. Have you taken any drugs this evening?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna have you stay in the car for right now, okay? Alright. Just don't go anywhere, right?
Step out.
Hey, Miko, do you have insurance for the car?
How did you know my name?
Because you gave me your driver's license.
No, before that.
I know who you are. I've met you before.
Oh, sorry. Is this it?
Take a look. So what's going on?
That ain't a good thing. You known by the cops?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Okay. That.
What I said.
Why is that? No. Is that it? Yeah, this is the insurance here. It's valid. All right. Do you mind getting out of the car? I just want to talk to you really quick.
I'm not drunk or high.
Yeah, I just want to talk to you outside the car.
Why?
So that way I can just get a better look at how you're doing this evening and that sort of thing, okay? Do you mind putting your shoes on and then stepping out of the car for me?
You gotta get it together.
You can put this back there too. I'm just gonna stand right back here, okay? That's my partner right there. Here, Amika, if you could stand right over here, please. So that way we're as far away from other cars that are gonna come down the road. It's the safest place for us to stand.
I told you I'm not drunk or high.
Okay, can I just take a look at your eyes really quick?
I'm not high. What the heck?
I just want to take a look at your eyes.
I'm not high.
I believe
This
you.
is stupid.
Amika.
What?
Let me just take a look at your eyes.
I'm not high.
Okay. All right, Amika, you're not going back in the car right now. You're just going to stand right here. I just want to talk to you.
Say real quick, all right?
Amika, do not go back in your car.
Stop.
Amika. Amika, we're not trying to escalate the situation anymore.
Stop.
You need to take your hands off me.
Stop. This is my car. Go away.
Amika.
Stop.
Amika.
Get your hands off me.
All right.
Get your hands off
You're not going
me.
back in your car. All right.
Get your hands off me.
Relax.
Stop touching me!
You're the one touching us.
Stop touching me!
Stand at the back of the car.
No.
To relax, you understand?
I don't want
them
you
out here. Amika, I just need to talk to you at the back of
I'm
the
not
car.
drunk or high. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Based on your drive.
This is kind of off topic, but the more that he keeps saying her name, the more I'm sitting here thinking to myself, like, why do we do this to ourselves in the black community, man? Why we name our kids these wild ass names? I mean, it's just, for me, I'm glad, my real name is a regular biblical name. Okay. My shit ain't no wild. Janana Quay, nigga, just like what? Like Deshaun J, like what? Like some wild ass Namika. Like, how do you sit back and you just be like, wow, I'm pregnant. What do you want to name the baby? The guy's probably like, boy or girl? The mom is like, girl. The dad is like, I don't care, babe. You can name him or name her. He goes, babe, what do you think about Lamika? Wow, honey, that sounds like a great name. Like, come on, man. Like I know that's off topic and this ain't got nothing to do with whatever, but I'm just like, damn. The last video we did with the video before this was the lady that stole the credit cards out of Foot Locker or whatever the case. And I forget what her name was, but it was something wild. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I get it, wanting to be out the box a little bit, you know, but damn, this shit is crazy. Anyways, though, she's definitely under the influence. Let's reel it back in, right? She's definitely under the influence of something. All right. We don't know what, but she definitely drunk. She's emotional and she gonna get herself locked up.
I want to do a few tests.
Leave
to make
me
sure
alone.
you're okay.
I'm fine. I am fine.
You took a left at a red light.
Who cares? Everyone does that.
That is not true. I need you to take a
No.
go back to the back of your
right
car.
Here. We can talk right here.
I need you to go back
No.
to the back of your car. That's a lawful
Don't touch
order.
me. Don't touch me.
It is a lawful order
Don't touch me.
for you to go to the
Don't
back of
touch
your
me.
car right now.
Don't touch me. You're not making me do shit. Don't touch me.
Amika,
Do not touch me.
I need you to go to the back of your car so
I'm
we
not
can talk.
high or drunk. Do you see my eyes? Are you dumb?
When I asked this to your eyes before, you started walking away from me.
Yeah, I'm not high. Look at me.
All right,
Look at me.
let's go to the
Look
back
at
of the
me.
car.
Look at me. I am not high or drunk.
Okay, then let's go to the back of the car and talk.
There is no sobriety test we're doing. I'm not doing a sobriety test. I'm not doing it.
Why not?
Because I'm not drunk or high. Are my words slurred? I'm not talking like that.
Let me just talk to you at the back
Leave
of the
me
car so
alone.
we're away from where traffic
Leave me
will go.
alone. I'm not doing anything. If you want me to get a ticket, then give me a ticket.
Amika,
Seems like you're the one
once you're
escalating.
done with talking to him, you can be.
What do you want to talk about? What?
Find out what he wants to talk about and get it over and
What?
done with.
What do you want?
Let's go to the back
What
of
do
the
you
car.
want?
So I want
What
to talk
do you
to
want? What about
at the
what?
back of the car so I don't have to worry about other cars
Regarding
coming at
what?
us.
Regarding what?
About your driving and what's going on this evening.
Nothing's going on.
Normal.
Sure, cool, whatever.
That's what I
I'm
wanna
not
talk
normal.
about.
I'm not normal. You guys probably
Okay.
make fun of me.
We don't. I want to make sure you're doing okay tonight.
I'm fine. I am fine. Everyone struggles. Everyone. You struggle. You struggle.
Yeah, so let's talk about that somewhere where
No,
it's
you're
safe.
not my therapist.
Okay.
I'm not doing that
Can
again.
we go to the rear of the vehicle so
No.
we're not having to deal
We're
with
fine.
other cars?
We're fine. Oh,
What day of the week is it?
what day of the week is it? You tell me.
It's a question I need to ask you. Do you know what day
Well,
of the
I'm
week
just gonna
it
stay
is?
silent because I'm not doing this shit. So,
You know, the quicker you get done with this, quicker you go back.
well, you guys can just stand here.
All right, well, I called my supervisor down here, so we're going to hang out right now.
I'm gonna get out.
If you try to go in the vehicle, you can be arrested for obstruction. Amika, you need to stay out of the roadway.
Hands off me.
You need to stay out of the roadway. All right. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Okay, fine. All right, I'll listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh,
You're under
now
arrest.
you want to listen, of course.
Ow! You're hurting me. What the?
On your back.
Don't pull away from me.
It's funny how that happens. Funny how that happens. Now you want to listen. Now that they about to get you together, now you want to listen.
Try to go in the vehicle, you can be arrested for obstruction.
You was just talking
You
big
need
and
to stay out of
bad.
the roadway.
Hands off me.
You need to stay out of the roadway. All right. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Okay, fine. All right, I'll listen.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Ow!
Funny how that worked.
Hurting me. What the?
On your back.
Don't pull away from me.
Get your hand out of your jacket.
Then let me get my hand out of my jacket.
Hand out of your jacket.
I can't because your hand is
Out of your
there.
jacket.
God damn! Get your hands off of me.
Ma'am. You can't keep your hands to the ground. Do you understand me?
Take it to the ground in the rain.
Go ahead. Crack it backwards.
you to walk this way.
Stop being rough with me. Stop being rough with me.
Tango 7, 1 female in custody.
Do not slam me on the back of the car.
You're not going to.
Do not slam me.
You ain't gonna have a cold stick and hit my partner. So you hear me?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Turn around, please. There you go.
Stop touching me. Stop touching
I'm
me.
gonna touch you. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Cooperate.
I wrote you guys the apology letter. I just want you to leave me alone.
Okay. Well, you were pulled over on a traffic stop. I don't know what got us into this situation.
I told you
yet,
guys
but-
to leave me alone, and he thinks I'm drunk or high.
Okay.
I'm drunk or high. I bet you like doing that.
You're under arrest for obstruction.
Cool.
Okay.
Pull down my pants and yeah, I bet you. Go for it. Go for it.
Don't keep going all over.
Let me get the locks.
Drunk or high, and I said no, and my eyes aren't like that.
I understand. But once again, you won't listen to the directions I was given, and you continue to not listen and try to
You
get in
guys
the car
kept
when I'm trying to tell
touching
you.
me.
Please step
But you
inside
guys
this car.
kept touching me.
Watch your head, please. I'm gonna reach over here and buckle you in, you understand?
Are we going to the county jail? Is that where
You're
we're
just gonna
going?
stay right here for right now.
What's happening right now? What's gonna happen?
So you're under arrest, right? Okay, because you weren't listening, so that's obstructing a peace officer.
Am I going to the county jail?
No. You're going to come to the Wheaton Police Department. We're going to give you some paperwork, and then you'll get released later, okay? It's not going to be too long, but we can't leave the vehicle here on the side of the road. It's not legally parked. So if we can have somebody come and get it within like 15 minutes, then we won't have to tow it.
Can I stay in the car and be unhandcuffed?
No, it's policy. We got to keep the handcuffs
Well,
on.
they're a little
So
too tight. I'm not
Okay.
trying to
It's a-
escape. They're just a little too tight.
I get it. It's a short drive. All right.
Can you just loosen them, please?
Did you?
I'm buckled.
them.
I'm not gonna. You checked.
Well, she clearly she don't care about getting someone down there to get the car towed. So we might as well just tow the car. She talking about handcuffs. Let's wrap this up, man. She could pay the tow fee.
I have no weapons.
I check. Let's just take a look at it and make sure.
We'll check and confirm that they're fit proper. So just lean forward in the seat if you can.
Don't ever touch me like that again. Do you understand me?
Well, I gotta touch you to check your cuffs.
No, I'm saying when you hurt me back there.
Okay.
You have no respect. That's absolutely inappropriate. And they're way too tight.
All right, can you lean forward so I can adjust them?
I can't. I'm buckled. Are you that dumb?
All right, no reason to be rude.
Well, you were rude to me, so you're pushing me around. That's rude, right? You just tighten them again.
My finger can fit between your wrists. They're fitted properly.
Don't pull my arm. Stop hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
You are hurting me.
My finger can go through that one. That
Stop
one's fine,
pinching
too.
me. Stop pinching
You
me.
have a finger width between both.
Stop
that fit
pinching me.
properly, all right? Can you turn to your left, please?
No, I'm getting buckled.
I wouldn't even check that. Unbelievable.
Is there anything in the vehicle that...
The woman was charged with obstruction and resisting arrest.
Unbelievable. They're even being courteous and trying to help you out and check the cuffs, and she's still talking shit. I would tow the car, everything, the whole nine. The whole nine. You get the whole everything. Because you don't know when to shut the hell up. Keep being an asshole. Been nothing but a problem all night. Now, anyways, I get officers, you know, they did their best. I give them a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.